So this is week 5 and I'm gonna talk about what I get in this week 5 in software engineering. So the teacher taught us to talk about software, why software projects succeed or fail, and what outcomes can happen, and what principles we can use to become more professional in project management. So the first one, I will talk about software projects succeed, fail, or other. So, according to the test report, software project can generally have three different outcomes. The first one is succeed. Second one is challenge. The third one is impaired and ultimately cancelled or fail. So, why the project is can be succeed? Uh, the project can be succeed is because one, user involvement. User need to be involved because they are the people who will actually use the system. So the second one is executive management support. Management support is important because software projects require resources, people, time, and sometimes important decisions. And then clear requirements before developer start building the systems. They need to understand exactly what the system should do, and also proper planning. A project needs a clear schedule, responsibility, resources, budget, and objective. If we have a good planning, it will help the team to understand what it needs to be completed and what and when to be completed. So in other hand, software project can fail because of the opposite problem. For example, is incomplete requirements and lack of user involvement and lack of resources. Like if it is lack of user involvement, like maybe we don't know what is user want. Because of that, the project is not going so well. So the next is project management. Like if you want to become professional in project management, technical knowledge alone is not enough. Say, or we can do code, but we can manage the project. So it's not all about the code, something like that. It's also require non-technical skills such as leadership, planning, management, focus, project monitoring, skilled people, and willingness to make change and adjustment. There are so many theories about this or principles. There's a Duffy's early 15 principles, or is a more modern set of principles, and Wasserman fundamental concepts. But the three key strategies to ensuring uh, to have this is high quality software on time and within budgets. Yes, something like that. So the most important thing in project management is also we can use tools like the teacher mentioned. It's Atlassian from Jura, I think Jura. So it is the software to project to manager can use to project the to management the project, managing the project, I mean. So I use this before in university, but it's not this one. I forgot the name. Maybe it's Node or something. Um, So before I was chief or chief of this organization, and use something like this, something like Atlassian Jira. I use this to maintain my coordinator and other member, uh, how they doing with their job, how's the deadline, and something else, so I can maintain as a chief of this organization. So all the project is doing well in the deadline. I'll I'll good until I'm not longer a chief in that organization. Thank you.